What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Noelle, and this is Intuitively Me. If you're new here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you're true here, go ahead, just hit that like button. Not that you're here. Thank you for being here. Love you guys. So on today's video, it's gonna be an unboxing video, and I'm super excited for this new collaboration, for this new sponsor that I have, because everybody knows that I love Press-On Nails. Yes, they're a Press-On Nails company, and I just can't wait to show y'all what was sent to me. And then later on in the video, I'll let you know about my giveaway that I'll be having for the Press-On Nails. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so before I pop these open for y'all, I just want to let y'all know that they allow me to pick 4 press-on nail designs, and honestly all of their designs were so freaking amazing that it was so hard for me, but luckily they let me pick out 4. And I'm just so excited to share with you guys. I've literally waited like over a week for these. I've been holding them because usually when I get stuff that I freaking love, I just want to keep it in here, locked away, and I'll never touch it. Like, yes. Alright, and if you hear any sounds in the back, it is my cat, Moppy. For, stoke me. That's one. That's one of them. Hold on, y'all. Let me get the other one open. Oof, so satisfying. And I got 3s up in here. Okay. Okay, y'all. My babies are here. And I got 4. Okay, first one. I'm gonna give y'all a better video of these. The first one. That's the second one. Cute. Third one. Again, like I said, they let me pick out all these designs from, like, there were so many to pick. It was so hard for me, like, So this was the first one I was showing you guys. The cute purple is my favorite color. These are the second ones. I got the little light blue for like spring and summer colors. Beautiful pink. I had to get it. Look at the fire, the checkerboard, the heart. It's pink. It's pink. Like, don't play with me. I had to get another purple. I had to. Just like, oh, I don't know how to say candy. Like, come on. What's your favorite one? Like, I cut the light off so that you can see better. The purple. Babe, I just love the little cute design. Cute blue for the spring. Pink is always in, period. And enough said. I like all shades of purple. Purple, I am purple. Okay, so I got some almond shaped ones. I got the short round, period, for the short nail girls. You know, they still winning. You already know Coffin is where it's at. Like, if it's not pink, stiletto, what are you doing? What are you wearing? Period. Of course, I had to get more purple, but in Coffin. Yes, period. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. And I'm going to show y'all the purple ones because these are my favorite. So I'll let you see them. First of all, the box has like a little sticker code as what it is on the side, and it also has like picture instructions step by step of what you should do. So let's go ahead and open the top. First, they got the back all packed out. First thing I got is a little cute pack of everything that you'll need to put on these nails. You got your own glue. And honestly, glue never comes in a package. Let me tell you, they never put glue. Pads for alcohol. You got your tool for your nails and a file. Like, play with somebody else. You got your own adhesive, so you got the glue and the adhesives, like which one you want to do. A little cute paperback one of instructions. Yes, like y'all, this is still these babies. Like, aren't they super cute? They're like a indigo type purple, they're like a little squiggly, simple, and then they're clear. It's gonna look so cute on my nails. Super cute how I can put everything back. That's the back. And put the instructions first. Adhesive tabs. And my little pot. Super cute, super on the go. And if one breaks, you got that extra glue in there. Alright, so now that y'all seen the nails, let me get into this giveaway that I will be having for you guys on my next video. All the rules and how to enter will be over on my Instagram, which I'll put in here in the video. Yes, will be on my Instagram, period. And I'm going to be giving away two of these beautiful nails to two beautiful people that love rocking their personal nails like me, like Ma. You know, they like to save money. You know what I'm saying? They just want a DIY project for you. It's for you, like. And I just want to show y'all love for showing me love. Thank you guys so much for tuning in on yet another video with your girl Noelle. Stay tuned for next week's video to be entered into my press-on nail giveaway. You don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, and intuitively me out.